What comes to mind when you hear the song "You Will Never Walk Alone"? Is it the legendary players, past and present, that have worn the jersey of this great club? Welcome to Anfield, the legendary home of Liverpool Football Club. Anfield has been a fortress for the Reds since 1892. Originally built in 1884, it used to be the home of Everton FC before they left in 1892. Liverpool FC was formed, and the rest is now history. At over 61,000, Anfield is the fifth largest in England and is one of the largest all-seater single stands in European football. Anfield has seen its fair share of unforgettable matches. One of the most celebrated matches was the 2005 Champions League semi-final against Chelsea, where Luis Garcia's goal sent Liverpool to the final. Another one was the 2019 Champions League semi-final against Barcelona. Liverpool overturned a 3-0 defeat from the first leg by winning 4-0 at Anfield. From England to Nigeria to Egypt, the club's anthem, "You Will Never Walk Alone," resonates deeply with fans and symbolizes the unity and spirit of this great football club. While Nigerian players like Taiwo, Awoniyi and Victor Moses have donned the famous red shirt, the legendary Salah from Egypt and Sadio Mane from Senegal have ensured that Liverpool's strong fan base in Africa will remain strong for the foreseeable future. As the new season starts, and we are reminded that the Jurgen Klopp era is over, we hope you have enjoyed this drone tour of one of football's most iconic stadiums. From its historic beginnings to its modern-day glory, Anfield remains a symbol of Liverpool's enduring passion and success. So that's it for the drone footage of Anfield Stadium. Have you watched a match at Anfield? How was the atmosphere compared to other football cathedrals? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do hit the like button if Mo Salah is one of the best ever Liverpool players, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.